So, you're dealing with the dreaded won't charge, can't turn on plague on your Tineco Floor One S3. You've tried everything, but that charging light just won't turn on. You left it on the charger, hoping for a miracle. Your Tineco Floor One S3 won't turn on, it's not charging, but maybe, just maybe, it will come back to life. But what's really happening while it sits there? You could be charging up a disaster. So what's the real problem? More often than not, the diagnosis is a faulty battery. It's not just out of juice. The internal electronics that control charging and power have failed. Ignoring it means that powerful grime-fighting machine is officially retired. The worst-case scenario isn't just a broken vacuum. It's an electrical short that can overheat, melt the charging base, and pose a serious fire risk to your home. Well, you can stop guessing because you've come to the experts. At RoboCare, our certified technicians live and breathe these machines. We specialize in the Tineco Floor One S and have diagnosed this exact power failure countless times. We don't guess. Using diagnostic tools, we pinpoint the failure with surgical precision. The problem isn't the battery cells themselves, but a tiny, failed component on the internal control board. Our experts perform a battery repair, carefully replacing the faulty battery with a genuine component. This restores your battery's function perfectly, but talk is cheap. Don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the results. Our expert technicians fix the root of the problem, restoring this Tineco to its full cleaning power. Don't let a faulty battery end your vacuum's life. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.